Nanawagan gandang kachika life. Mr. Alden Richards, Catherine Bernardo grace red carpet of Asian World Film Festival in California. Mr. Alden Richards and Miss Catherine Bernardo made a stunning pair as they attended the Asian World Film Festival in California on Thursday. The Hello Love Again stars graced the red carpet of the event held in Culver City in Los Angeles for the screening of their blockbuster film. Miss Catherine wore a light blue midi dress while Alden looked dapper in a black checkered two-piece suite. Hello Love Again was among the movies screened at this year's World Film Festival, serving as the closing film for the festival that kicked off on November 13. Other films in the lineup were In the Mood for Love, Hong Kong, The Wrestler, Bangladesh, Meeting with the Pulpat, Cambodia, The Antique, Georgia, Twilight of the Warriors, World in Hong Kong, and Lost Ladies, India. Alden and Catherine arrived in Los Angeles on November 19 to promote their film. Hello Love Again debuted in Philippines cinemas on November 13 and has earned $500 million as of November 18. It is showing in 1,100 cinemas in Europe, North America, South Asia, and Middle East. A report by Deadline earlier said that the film earned $2.4 million at 248th site in the United States it is opening week. Hello Love Again also broke its way to the current top 10 films in the US, ranking 8, in the first time a Filipino film has made in the list. Directed by Miss Cathy Garcia Sampana, the film continued the story of Choi and Ethan 5 years ago after the event of the 2019 blockbuster, Hello Love Goodbye. Samantala, ito po ang legit na update natin sa Katden, lalo na po kay Miss Catherine Bernardo. Alam niyo po ba, dahil sa pagod, jet lag, Catherine natutulog na sa kotse? After ng mga danap nila sa Pilipinas, pati ang padating na napakaraming black screening, nasa Los Angeles, California naman sila sumalang. Lunes ng gabi nang dumating sila sa LA at marami na silang ginawang promotion. Noong Wednesday naman ay may ilang interviews sila plus ang red carpet screening sa Asian World Film Festival ng Hello Love Again sa Culver Theater sa Culver City. Siyempre, aasahan nating dinumog at pinagkaguluhan nga si Catherine, Alden, Miss Ruby Rodriguez, Miss Valerie Concepcion, Marvin Arifentrangaco, Mark Avella at Kevin Crider sa red carpet event na iyon. Sa isang interview nga doon, mismong si Miss Catherine Bernardo ang nagsabi na sa pagod at jet lag, madalas ay nakakatulog na siya sa sasakyan habang bumibiyahe sila sa Los Angeles. Ngunit, ang sabi nito, nawawala raw ang pagod at antok ni Miss Catherine Bernardo kapag nababalitaan kung gaano kalakas ang kanilang pelikula. Thank you for watching. Kung nagustuhan niyo po ang video ito, subscribe na sa Starlight Showbiz YouTube channel and please don't forget to hit the bell button for our latest updates.